sometimes. Yeah, the end. Got to end it all on the weekend. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Sorry that I feel that way sometimes. Oh, yeah. You don't really wanna know me. Hanging in the corner with a nose. Yeah. High on whatever they sold me. That's the old me, yeah. 6 years later trying to find me. Still trying to figure out the line piece. Looking for the love inside me. Sometimes, don't know how I feel that way sometimes. Yeah. The end. Think how we can say that on the weekend. Funny how I kinda like this life. Funny now I kinda like this life. I like this life.
I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me, you just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? I don't wanna call you. I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one who told you.
Good morning. How we doing out there today? Some issues going on with OBS this morning, guys.
I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight.
Not sure what that's all about. But I'm excited today and a little sad at the same time. Look at this move that we missed out on yesterday. Look at this. That is crazy. Another 3.5%. 4%. Good night. That's some money. Man, I'm sorry I had to leave yesterday abruptly. Had to do some paperwork, if you know what I mean. Let me get in here real quick. Okay. Let's get into some of this pre-market analysis here. We got about 27 minutes until market opens, and we got some work to do. So, we're going to get to it. We are going to get to it. Take a sip of coffee. Drink it if you have it. In the military, smokers used to get smoke breaks. And the non-smokers used to get punished. Like, smoke them if you have them. All the soldiers would go run to go take the smoke break, underneath the smoke tree or wherever in the parking lot. Now the non-smokers would end up staying back because they don't smoke. Then they realized the sergeants would start making them do work while we're taking a smoke break. So they got smart real quick. Smoke them if you got them. Everybody go. Lottie-dottie, everybody. So drink them if you have them. All right. So, clear my mind here. Let's get started. Daily time frame. Let's do some top down here. We're right here at that 4-hour level we marked out yesterday. There might be something a little bit deeper in there. Let's start there. Before we do anything else. Let's go ahead and so we already marked it on the 4-hour. Is there anything deeper inside of that? On the, there's an hourly level here. It's going to be untapped. Okay. There was a 5-minute, be right here, and then be tapped already. There's a 5-minute inside of here. I don't really like that level. I don't care though. I'm gonna mark it and leave it there. It's really a 2-minute. I'm gonna mark it as a 1 minute here. all of these levels. Each one of these levels showed some form of resistance on the way up. Came inside of this order block that we've been waiting on. Offered a few trades. Some nice scalps. But ultimately, we went right through it. So the trend is strong right now. Strong bullish momentum right now. We're going to go in and get rid of this. We're approaching this 4 hour here. And everything inside of that order block, or in that area of interest. So we could mark this as an area of interest here. Okay. That 4 hour trend is still intact. Let's look at our daily. This daily needs to continue to move up. It'll be here. Some fibs here. Okay. Just some cleanup here. Okay, so that's those levels here. We could also put this in here. Clean that up. Okay. This level, that level, and that level. Put that down here. Okay. Got those. Got these here. Set an alarm here. Put a message here so we know what this means. Just gonna leave that one on. Let's see, got those. These levels here. All right. Sorry about that. Had to do some cleanup here. Keep things. I'll clean up this here in a little bit. So we do have a daily level here that we're gonna mark out. We'll start breaking this down a little bit more. This daily was just created, if I'm not mistaken. We didn't mark it out on any. Yeah. $16 minutes until market opens. Okay. So here's the daily. Also marks this front side. Hey, what's going on? Is that Rashid? Is that how you say your name? Am I saying that correctly? How you doing, man? I said your name all right. I'm looking at this level here. Let's get down to our alley real quick. No, I don't like this daily. This long ass wick here. There's got to be something deeper inside of there. Oh, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Thanks for stopping in. So we got our levels down here. If we were to move down here from there, it'd still be within range. We got some levels in here that I'm definitely gonna look at. I need to pay closer attention to these levels inside. This is nice. It's a nice area right there. What's the name of this volume? And take a look. Dying volume, move up. So yeah, this is all aftermarket. And volume sucks. Big move. Drop down on big volume. Then move up again. Hey, I'm hanging in there, bro. Hanging in there. Mad I missed all this move up from yesterday. I got off stream early. Kind of just jumped off abruptly, man. Had to take care of some stuff. I'm gonna move this table up some. There we go. Got about 13 minutes. I need to start wrapping up this pre-market analysis. It's a greedy level here. I like on the 15-minute. We still got our levels down below that we marked out yesterday. These are still valid, very strong. As you can see down here, where these levels are marked out at, that's when a lot of volume got injected into the market. We got that big move up. And then after market hours, obviously we kind of just staggered, went sideways. And then yesterday, market came, huge volume come in, dumped the market down, and ultimately we didn't quite make it down into that zone where all this liquidity is. So shall we get down there? I'm thinking it should provide some nice support if we get down that low. A lot of liquidity resting down there. So really we could classify that as a 1 hour OB. Yeah, look at that volume going into it. We got the same here, kind of. Huge move down, pump up. However, everything inside of there seems to be tapped as far as levels are concerned. Might be something hidden inside of there that I'm missing. Let's look a little deeper. Let's go on to 5. This 5 right here is nothing nice. 5 in here. This 5 has been it's close. That's a sharp move down. If we get down this low, that's a sharp move down. That we get there. Been waiting on that for NAS for a few days as we've been marking out these lower levels for longer term trades or intraday trades, shall we? We never quite make it down that low. So as far as the immediate goes, right above us, we have these areas and this 4-hour point of interest that we marked out with all these levels in here. Let's pull an inside fib here. Look at these OB levels. Yeah, 1 hour's right on equilibrium. Market's opening in 10 minutes. I still need to wrap this up. So there is a 4-hour right at the bottom of this big move. So after we broke over that 1 hour, that daily downtrend, and we moved up with some volume. Still looking bullish. And we still need to take this high right here to continue this bullish momentum. So this is our 4-hour. So it's really more like it. I need to do some cleanup too. Crank this music up a little bit. Sheesh. That was a nice move here too. Get rid of that 4-hour. We got an hour here and an hour here. That 4 hours kind of been ran. But really, it kind of marks a fair value gap here. 15-minute here, even though it's been. I like these virgin levels. This has been touched, but I'm going to keep it on the chart. The hour is also the 15-minute here. Five-minute here. This is NAS, so it's still pretty significant move. There's a lot of volume right here. We're here for this push up. I'm gonna turn this up.
So I can't see the ground. So I ain't coming down. So no, I ain't ever coming down. Rise up from the ashes, wings on my back, stay lit like a matchstick. We ain't coming back, I swear. Just let go and see what happens. Gotta let go to see the magic happen. They got this a quick change, so we like them in phase. I just bought a new watch.
We have a nice nice level here, but I'm looking down here. Look at all this volume that came in right here. That's a nice amount of volume that came in here. I want it to come down here. And then we have some smaller levels here. I need to mark this 5 here. Sticking out like a sore thumb. So definitely if we come down, this is where I'm looking to take my longer intraday trade. Yeah. Okay.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me?
5 minutes. We got 4 minutes until the market opens. There's a scalp potential here, which ultimately might provide the support it needs to just spring higher. But I'm thinking, at least I want it to push further down into here before it ultimately pushes up for the day. And if we come down here, I might just, considering what happened yesterday, just had a sharp move up. We go to yesterday. Yeah, considering what happened yesterday with the sharp move up, I might just jump right into it if we get down to any of these levels versus waiting for a confirmation. But we'll have to see. Let's go ahead and get on Trade Evade real quick and take a look at some of these volume pockets over here. Look for some imbalances. See if you find any nice imbalances that confirm or at least this whole candle here looks like nothing but imbalance. We filled in half of it. Have some here. It seems like a nice amount of volume prior to market open. Yeah, the move down seems inevitable right now. There is a nice little imbalance from here to here. Just not a lot of volume. This whole entire move got pushed up on low volume. And the market really doesn't like these type of imbalances. As you can see, we look like we filled in the bulk of the imbalances here. Two minutes until market opens. See if we got any naked point of controls here. Yeah, it's so far off though. It's 839, 14,839. Yeah, that's 300 points away. We do have a naked volume point of control here. No, not volume, but time. 15,053. Okay, let's watch market open together. Quick recap. Plan is looking for nice trades, intraday trades inside of this OB. Looking for longs down here in these levels here, which can be classified as a 1 hour OB. There's some nice volume here, so we'll be looking there. And there are some levels in between that we will scout, but right now, this is what we're looking at. Okay, market's open. Big push. It's not giving us any time to. Is that a 2 minute here? Fucking NAS is moving so weird lately, man. Just really impulsive moves. Look at that volume. NAS is trying to force us to trade more aggressively. It's just running, man. What's really going on? Right now at our 5 minute here. Yeah, NAS is just on a tear, man. Just wrecking dreams. Wrecking dreams. Rejected right on that 5 minute. What are we gonna do here? We come back down to this. I'm actually gonna front run this some. Be a little more aggressive here. Nah, we're not coming back down. We won't even test this front side, will we? Huh. See if there's anything hidden on the 1 minute here. No, I'm front running the 2 minute already, so I'm well above the 1 minute. I don't think anything exists on a 3 yet. Yeah, there does. I mean, yeah, there is. It's this level here. That's so far of an invalidation there. Let's look at this real quick before I get filled. Let's take a look. There's going to be some liquidity here. That the market may want to come and take before moving. That's the problem with trying to be more aggressive. I don't want to second guess my decision, but the decision is kind of impulsive to begin with. Freaking NAS, man. It's trying to force me to be more aggressive. I don't like my stop here. Down to the 1 minute real quick. Let's move this here. Over here, no levels here. Just liquidity resting below here. Level down here. So this is what we'll do. It's on 2 real quick. Yeah. So we'll take this 2 minute. We'll take this 2 minute using the candle of that candle, the wick of that candle as our stop. If we get stopped out for this liquidity here, we're gonna go into the 5 minute. There's a 5 minute level down here, and I didn't mark right here. That we'll look at next. It's really gonna. That's how we're gonna have to play it. Give this a little bit more room to breathe. That'll be about a $400 loss if we get stopped out here. Hit that 2 minute. We're at the 3 minute level now, but if I take that invalidation is way too long. It's a nice volume node here. Sick of what happened yesterday. Market open, run up, came down, grabbed all that liquidity, and then pushed back up for the remainder of the afternoon. And yesterday was a weird day. The way that was traded was so weird for me. I'm not quite filled yet. Okay, we're filled. Okay. Should have taken that scalp. Okay. I am pushing back up. Gonna mark it out 200. 210 already on that scalp. So we just made 210 on that scalp. I didn't like the way we're pushing down at all. So we just made 210 on the day right now, and market's still looking like it wants to go lower. We went ahead and scalped that. Kind of just jumped right out. Made me a little nervous on how it was reacting down here on the lows here. So it kind of looks like it does. Yeah, so exactly. So we made the right call. We're coming back down to steal this liquidity here. So now I'm more interested in this 5 minute down here. In this 100, 15,100, 15,105 area. If we even make it there, I might just come grab this liquidity, swing failure, and head up. Yeah, I would have been stopped out right there. Yeah, we made a good call there. So 2 minute level here. So that 5 minute and that 3 minutes the same. 105. Yeah, 105. So this is a nice area to be looking at. Yeah, we definitely would have been stopped in. Do we even fill in these imbalances is the question. So we still got almost half the candle to fill it up. To fill up, I mean. Let's take a look at this. Let's put some royalty. So actually right here on this 5 minute trend. If you're here watching the stream with me, I appreciate you. And I would appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button. I'm trying to grow a little bit. So we essentially just came up, rejected off that 5-minute hold right now. Came down. Looks like a liquidity grab perhaps and move up. I don't think we're going to be putting in a reversal here. I still think it's bullish. See what's going on here. $16 minutes since market open. I don't want to be that aggressive. I almost wanted to short right here at point of control. And just like that, I would have been out. Quick scalps. Man. I'm unsure in these type of market conditions. It's just, I guess it's just safe to say, look for longs. That would be the safe bet because we're just continuously going up right now. That's a lot of waiting. As a scalper, I need to be able to make some money in between these inside of these areas of interest. I guess short and point of control wasn't a bad idea. Coming down here to this 105 area, which is also a 5, 4, 3, and 2 minute level.
All in when I show up. Whole place about to blow up. Superior to that competition. I'm in first place, yeah, that's how I'm living. I'm with it till they digging up my grave. Eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up in the place. I was born and when I watch me elevate.
Still coming down for that liquidity. This 105 area is nice. It exists on here. The 2 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute. Stop loss is a decent invalidation. However, we get stopped out. We will be down for the day. Looks like we're gonna get filled, maybe. Barely got missed. Oh man, how did it not? Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. We got missed. It'd be like that sometimes, man. We got missed. Fuck. I'm no longer interested in that trade. My brother Chris, that happened to him yesterday 13 times. 13 times. I'm over here crying about that one time, but it was so close. I mean, like 10 cents maybe. Not gonna FOMO in now. Yeah, it would be up quite a bit right now. That's 700. Damn it. Oh. So now we just gotta wait for the next trade, man. I'm not gonna FOMO in now. My level is different on Owanda. Did you guys see that? Somebody on the exchange don't want me to make any money. My allergies are messing up a little bit. Springtime. Cut the grass yesterday and phew, woke up with my eyes itchy, swollen. So I guess our next best trade is going to be below down here in this area of interest. I might be able to find an entry somewhere in between if we don't make it down there. But now I'm just waiting. We would have already exited this position. Shall we have been filled? But yeah, that's water under the bridge. Now we're looking down here into this zone here for the next best trade. But right now, looks like Naz is trying to figure it out. Like Bitcoin is monkey see, monkey do right now, ain't it? As we were talking about earlier, see, doesn't like those imbalances. It came and filled in all that imbalance over there. Now it's where our entry was, right here at the bottom of this imbalance. We just barely got missed. Oh yeah, market don't like imbalances like that. It's too impulsive. Got some long stepping in here. They're struggling to get back into the value area. We do have some longs coming in here. I wonder if it's going to be a repeat of yesterday, where it was this grind down and then this slow grind up, just grinding up, getting all these shorts wrecked on the way up.
Everybody know I'm a visual. Yeah, I kill it cold like a criminal. I'm everybody's type, but nobody can deny. Yes, you know I get it, I'm getting freaky. Yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky, freaky on. Get that freaky, freaky on. Freaky. Get it right, get it right. Get that freaky, freaky on. 신경 끄고 다 같이 freaky. Yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky, freaky on. Get that freaky, freaky on. Freaky. Get it right, get it right. 상관하지 마. I'm getting freaky. Yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky, freaky on. Get that freaky, freaky on. I'm getting freaky. Get it right, get it right. 상관하지 마. I'll be on the top, top killer. I'll be on the top, top winner. I'll be on the top, top killer. I'll be on the top, 'cause I own it, know it, I'm a red. I'm getting freaky. Yeah, I'ma bring the crazy. Get that freaky, freaky on. Get that freaky, freaky on. Freaky. Get it right, get it right. Get that freaky, freaky on. 그거 다 같이 freaky. Yeah, I'ma bring the crazy.
I wanted to short it, but my instinct was telling me no. Gotta listen to my gut sometimes.
상관하지 마.
It's when I don't listen to that little voice inside that says, don't do it, man. That's usually when I get hurt. Okay. See, I was at 105 to 3. Yeah, it would have been 7. Bless me. Still salty that we missed that trade a little bit. Right now, it's following structure perfectly. Like, really couldn't get any more textbook than that. But that's what's so scary about this shit. So far, we only made one scalp, up 210 on the day.
Dreamer. Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100. It's all that I wanted, but lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably wouldn't if I got the help. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her oh well. Rather be dead than to know that I failed.
Looking like we're gonna move up from here. Take these highs. Dream crushing, we ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is us made for this, paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Getting down and I'ma get it right, get on sight like. Getting down and I'ma get it right, get on sight like. And I'ma get it right, dead on sight like. Never really know when you're gonna go. Why you gotta put another foot in front of yours? Bury them toes, carry them close. I was never one to care about my mentos. I was like froze, now I'm on fire. Give me that smoke, but I can't get high. We do the most, here to inspire. Doing what I'm supposed, but I can't get tired. Run for your life, every Ooh.
All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crush it. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this, paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right, dead on sight like. First off, you don't run nothing. All talking, your team bluffing. My squad, we all dream crush it. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this, paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right, dead on sight like.
Yeah.
Down and I'ma get it right, dead on.
We're still looking down into this area here. If we get down there. CVD's on point. No divergences. I'm gonna preset order here, but I'm gonna try to front run it a little bit so we don't get a repeat of what happened the last time. 1533. No, that's not it. First touch only. The first time it came down here would have been the best trade. We got missed by a few cents, but it's the world of trading.
I've been thinking, lately it's just me against the world. Round and round I'm caught up in this swirl, trying to dig and trying to burrow. Pressure turned this stone into a pearl. Lessons that I learned weren't always thorough, sugar-coated like a churl. Now I'm really out here on my own. Now my homies acting like I owe 'em, done extending out my arm. Made a lot of money from my poems. Been around and now they say I'm on. I can finally say I'm up now. I'm up now. 20,000 on a bus down. A bus down. I'm on my way up, going up now. Up now. And I ain't never gonna touchdown. Touchdown.
There's a huge volume node down here. I think that's just the majority of after hours. The after hours session was transacted right here. That's why there's a volume node there. At the end of the day, I'm taking this level. We marked it. It's part of the plan. Normally, I would like to wait for some form of some sort of a confirmation. But with the way NAS has been doing lately, I'm having to play slightly more aggressive. Might bite me in the ass. Might reward me. We'll see. We take this 15 though. I think if it's such a wide stop, I don't like it. So I'm taking the greedier level. Taking the greedier level, so I just might get missed. Doesn't really make sense for a move from here.
It's the calm before the storm. Things aren't as they were before. You best start bracing. Did you think you could keep us out? Shut the gates, forget us now. Tides are changing. Can you hear the sound? Can't stop us now. We're not back in town, know what we're doing. Things are about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the revolution. Can you hear the sound? We're the revolution. With the ground beneath your feet, with a whisper in the trees. Do you feel us watching? Hunger in our eyes, victories on our minds.
Question is, should I put another entry here? 38 at this 15 minute, while also keeping my grittier level here. Like I said, we have to play a little bit more aggressive here. So here's that 15 minute here. Ooh, that would be a massive amount of loss if I'm wrong.
Can you hear the sound?
There's so much liquidity down here, though. I might fuck around and get wicked through. Give it a little bit more wiggle room. Give me a 1 if y'all think I should put another entry at that 15-minute level. Give me a 2 if I should just keep it the way it is.
Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving.
What's up? Help me out, guys. What do you think? What do you think? This level here is actually really nice right down here. If we get stopped out on this one, I'm looking at this level down here. Let's see what happens here. Okay, I'm filled. We're up to 50 right now. Up 260, 290. I'm going to exit out at 300. Right call. Possible. Might have exited too soon. But there's still a lot of shorts coming in. That's why I exit. That's why I exited. Yeah. So there is another 5 minute down here. That would make more sense here. Dun, 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 dun. And this one we would hold longer term. We're up 480 right now. Yeah, we're still struggling off that bounce there. I may have just exited too soon. But I stand by my decision. Extract profit. Yeah, stand by my decision. But there's so much here. So we took this 5 minute level. We caught that bounce. Like almost $300 profit. Which put us up at 480 on the day. I've already exited. The question is whether I did the right move. Because this was a nice level to potentially continue to the upside from. I appreciate it. Appreciate it, Rashid. I'm thinking I could have held it longer, man. Maybe I'm scared. Scared, but it'll make no money. Yeah. We could have stayed in a little longer. Like I said, man, I'm trying to be a little bit more aggressive today, but I don't want to be stupid and get wrecked. Coming back up to test this 5 minute. Even though this 5 minute trend isn't completely established yet. Coming back up to back test it now. Okay. Yeah. This level definitely has the potential to continue this bullish momentum up. Looking at the volume here. Rejecting out that 5 minute trend right now. 966.
Oh, yeah. Are we talking about losing control? I'm gonna show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me.
We took this 5-minute level here. We scalped that for a couple hundred. Let's see if that's the 5-minute that holds up. I have another order parked down here near this 5-minute. Keep in mind that I'm charting on NAS 100 USD from the Oanda exchange, which is different than what I'm actually trading. The futures contract I'm trading just started and expires in May, so there's no historical data. So I chart everything here. So the numbers are off a little bit. It gives me a good idea of my areas of interest. If we take this level down here, we got this 4-hour uptrend that will be protected by. We got the daily downtrend that usually will act like support. Come back test it. So let's get here to the hourly. Five-minute trend still holding up. So right now our base is this 5-minute hold. And our resistance right now currently is this 5-minute trend. 5-minute trends typically aren't that strong, but right now it's definitely providing some resistance. We're developing a node here. If we stay around here much longer, that value area low will end up shifting. Widen out our value area. Right now it's kind of narrow and at the top. There's a lot of volume coming in on this previous candle. There's a lot of volume there. We're just kind of staggering here. There's some longs that are getting punished right now. If not already stopped out. Definitely want that level. And be careful in this chop right here. That's kind of funky right there. Hey, 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 hey. So right now we're still in undecided as far as the market's concerned. It's undecided for me. Looks like some chop right here going on. Still sandwiched between the 5-minute hold level that we took earlier for the long scalp and this 5-minute resistance. I meant 5-minute trend that's acting as resistance. So yeah, right here, no trade for me. Just kind of waiting, hanging out. And if you're hanging out with me, I appreciate it. Hit that thumbs up. If you want to join us on Discord, link is in the description. So far, only made 2 trades today. Both winners, up 480. There we go. Looks like we're trying to eat through that 5-minute trend again. There we go. This is actually the active trend here after this distribution candle got a hard close here. But this previous one is still acting as resistance. So we would have been in a good position if we stayed at this 5-minute hold. If we still stayed in that position, but I didn't want to chance it. Although it looked like a great trade, as we outlined in the pre-market analysis. It was a nice amount of volume coming here for this move up, and knowing that price came back down to it, it should provide a nice support for a potential bounce for the continuation up. But we could get rid of this guy now. It did its job. Let's look at NAS here. Came in, bounced from value area low, or rejected. On the micro, we need to break this high here to see market structure change. We need to break this high here, but so looking at a short here wouldn't be a bad idea for a scalp trade. Might be something a little greedier. Let's see. Custom time. Let me see. Man, I really don't like their yeah, so there's a 3 minute deeper in here.
I'm dreaming you and I. All my darkest fears are coming outside. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby. We got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. And when you need to escape from a thousand fires, I'm gonna kiss you wherever you
Nice volume note up here at point of control. Let's watch it for a rejection. Might be a nice scalp short opportunity.
jungle of love. Jungle of love. We're running in the jungle of love. Listen to my conditions, I got you on my mind.
Man, that dude sound like Post Malone.
I don't know why. We got a billion races, we got this melody, and you can trust me, baby. We got everything. Call me whenever you feel alone, babe. And when you need to cry, I'll be by your side. Call me
Sound like that rock star melody, the way he's singing it, not the beat, but the way he's singing it.
thousand fires. I'm gonna kiss you wherever you are, and I'm gonna miss you. I will never lie. Call me whenever you need someone, babe. We're running in the jungle of love. Jungle of love. We're running in the jungle of love.
Who's gonna get punished here? We got some longs here and some shorts here. Nice amount of them too. Yeah, that's a lot of contracts.
You made a monster.
Those late longs are sweating balls right now. Yep, those late longs are getting punished right now. Coming back and back testing that 5-minute trend here. Bounce. Acting there's some support here. If you was a quick scalper, you could, if you know trend lines, if you know properly mark your trend lines, you could scalp trend lines alone and probably be profitable. I wouldn't recommend it, but I'm just saying you probably could. They're powerful, man. Came back, bounced on that perfectly, and we're moving. And yeah, it's not on any real volume, so I don't expect that to hold up. But they could step in at any minute now. And wreck dreams. What have you guys been trading lately? Are you trading lately? Are you just kind of waiting, trying to see what the market's going to do once it shakes out all the weekends? Or what are you guys trading? And how is that going for you? So I stole your car.
I were the same, making bad decisions, it should be my middle name. I love playing with fire, it's my favorite. Watch me burn my whole house down, not feel a thing. One look in the mirror, don't like what I find. I know that somewhere in there there's a good guy, but he runs away.
Okay.
At midnight.
Might be losing that trend there. Still want to see this level down here if we get there. This level here. I'm just going to park this here. We're going to park that there.
I'm sorry that I stole your car. Ain't got those tattoos on my arms that don't mean shit to me. Maybe
5-minute trend holding up.
so I don't take it way too far. Die before I'm 23. I'm sorry.
I swear, man, trend lines are freaking powerful. Trend lines with some understanding of market structure, you could do some damage, man. It's just the psychological aspect of it that you got to master. Because it's...
I got a bad bro, name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stubbed, that's a fact, Joe. And if you think I'm frontin', you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go.
I think my stream is kind of glitchy.
I tell Shorty drop it for a real one. Go ahead and pop it, let me feel some. Do it for the boy with a bag now. Movie star money making everybody act out. I don't
Is the stream acting up, guys?
want them, then I tell them don't get fly for these women. Now
OBS is not giving me any drop frames or anything like that, but I got it playing on the side over here, and it's acting up.
everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. You know, I had this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. MD. JPP. You already know, baby.
Is the stream acting up, guys? No drop frames. Everything should be good. Get on trading view here. So far, trend is still holding up. So, 2 minutes until this candle closes. Someone was using my chair for gaming yesterday, and it's all off, man. If we don't break these lows to these highs soon, I'm gonna have to get off the stream. Got a chiropractor appointment today. Get this back fixed up, man. Yeah, this is pretty much just chopped down here. Look at the respect level on that trend line. Now we're gonna do here. We're gonna take this high. point of control has shifted. We're now above point of control. Market open, we pushed right to that 5-minute level, and it's been downward since. Down to this 5-minute. 5 minutes to 5 minute. So I haven't taken that high. If you're just joining the stream and you don't know what all these lines mean, I suggest you watch the pre-market analysis. Gives all these levels and stuff and why we marked them and why we're looking at them. Minutes still intact. The difference is we now have a proper down trend on the 5-minute. It's definitely not the one. Check it out here. Up here is looking better. Long starting to come in. CVD's looking good. We're looking better. Finally squeezed above that high a little bit.
How did you find a way to run from the city of the sun? You could have stayed, it's only over when the day is done. I never knew you was a runner, yeah. I mistook you for a stunner. It don't matter what we think when it's all over. 'Cause this is our last chance to leave it all behind. She burns the bridges in my head by lighting up a fire. Bury my old thoughts instead so you could feel the same. I lay alone with you inside my mind. We would dance the night away to the morning light. Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? Can I give you all of my love till we dance the night away? And we give you all my love, all my love, all my love. And we give you all my love, all my love.
Rejected at this 5-minute level. It's just coming back to load up. Looks like it wants to go higher. Well, the shorter step in. Man, I hate to have to go right now, but I do. I got to get ready for this doctor's appointment. I'm gonna wait 7 more minutes. At 11, I'm cutting out. Okay, guys. Again, if you're hanging out with me, I sure appreciate it. Much love, man, from the Beast Mode family. If you want to join the Beast Mode family, make sure you hit that description. I'm gonna hit that link in the description to join us on Discord. It's free. We ain't trying to sell you anything. We just like to hang around with like-minded people. And also, if you got soft skin, probably not for you, because we talk a lot of shit. More like brotherly and sisterly love, though. So come hang out with us. We would love to have you. Share ideas, help each other out. Tons of resources, all the things necessary to help each other become better traders. Also, if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, all that YouTube stuff. Please do that. That'll help us out tremendously. Definitely could have extracted more profits there. We took the bottom to the dollar pretty much. 32 to 132. Okay. Yeah, I'm not trying to trade right here. This looks like it's about equilibrium right now. And I'm not. Yeah, right at equilibrium. I'm not interested in shorting equilibrium right now. I want to see something more in this back half over here. And I don't think I'm going to be here long enough to see that come to fruition. Man, that looks just like yesterday. I mean, just like yesterday. Sharp moves down and then just a slow grind up. I mean, identical. Look. Looks exactly the same. Look, sharp move up. Kind of impulsive down and then just a slow grind up. Now look at today. Same thing. Open up, sharp move up, come down, kind of impulsively, and then just grinding up. Looks identical to me. Struggling to get over this 5-minute level here. Actually, this 3-minute, 5-minute was already hit here. So now we're bouncing at that 3 minute we marked out earlier, or rejecting, not necessarily bouncing. I don't think it's strong enough though. Look at all these longs coming in. Look at CVD. We'll see though. Let's see. That first touch on the 5 minute would have been a good scalp, but it's too late for that now.
What do spirits say? What do spirits say in a darker day? What do spirits say?
Yeah. Yeah, we're still struggling to push over that 3 minute level here. Definitely not comfortable enough to put in a scalp position here. But I do have to go. Have to get to my doctor's appointment. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. You know, again, like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, or keep it to yourself. It doesn't really matter. I'm just happy that you're here hanging out with me today. And hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow is hump day, Wednesday, when the markets are most volatile. And yeah, tomorrow, 8:55, stream will start. Hope to see you there. Love y'all. Peace out.